squash banana.
Neil eating fascinated. How big, Mummy?
Yes, you seem to like it, don't you?
Neil, you like it, Neil. You love me.
Yes, you seem to like that. There's some
No,
more.
that's Neil's pet. That's Neil's big pet.
No, Mummy's just squashing the banana on there, and he's not really using the plate, is she? Mummy's using the plate so that she can... This was leftover banana from you from breakfast. Oops, oops. This is why we have bibs for babies. Oh, excuse me. Mummy sneezed. Mummy sneezed. Oh, and with that sneeze, out came the banana. I really should have put a bib on you, shouldn't I? Wah. Mum, enough of the cloth, Mum. You want some more? Should we squash some more for her? See if she likes it.
I don't want the banana anymore.
You don't want the banana anymore, that's good. We'll see if Neve wants some. Would you like some more? Would you like some more, Neve? Would you like some more? What's that, darling? Princess book.
Princess book, please. Princess book, please.
Okay.